Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and focus modes won't interrupt. Open the clock app and tap sleep, or go to health then sleep to start. Set a realistic target sleep and wake time, choosing the days you want the schedule active. Once done, pick a wake alarm, sound, and volume. You're starting the core setup now. These initial choices define how the app tracks and reminds you each night and morning. Now refine the middle steps by enabling sleep tracking with your iPhone or Apple Watch so the app learns your patterns. Set a wind down period and add shortcuts for relaxing actions like a meditation or dim lights. This helps cue your body. Adjust your sleep goal if you need more or less rest, and make sure bedtime reminders and alarm options match your routine. These detailed settings improve accuracy and make the app actually change your habits over time. Finish by reviewing your sleep history in the Health app after a few nights to confirm the data looks sensible, and enable sleep focus so notifications are limited during your wind down and sleep. Make sure Do Not Disturb and focus settings aren't conflicting. If tracking or alarms misbehave, restart your iPhone, check Bluetooth and health permissions for sleep, then re-enable tracking. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.